Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Casio G-Shock Features. As you can see, today I bring these two watches and I make this video for compare between these two, what the difference between these two watches, the size and function. Now just check it out first. As you can see, first from display you can see from in this one, this is look little bigger than this one. The LCD size, display size is this small, this is little bigger, and here you can see here this one analog and this is digital. This is also watch and this is also, there is two watch, but here you can see only one watch with the date and everything. If we talk about the battery powers, both have a 10-year battery life. Here also 10-year battery life and this one also. But some features in between these two have a different, that how to set the time. If we talk about this watch AE1200WHD, the feature of this watch is almost same like a G-Shock to set the time, and in this watch DB360 have a different features and different time setting. If we talk about DB360 is totally different time setting, and this one also, but in this DB360 you will get some more feature than this one, but in this one there is some feature in DB360 not available. First we check about the size. How, if you can see from here, this is look bigger, the LCD display is little bigger than this one, this is little smaller. But if we check about the size from upside, from here to here is almost same, but this one little bigger. See the thickness, this AE2100 is little thick than this one, you can see, and this is little shiny and this is little matte finishing, but this one shiny. DB360 is more shiny than AE1200. Just check it on the back side. This one is made in Thailand and this one made in China. Now just compare to the both how to set the time. In this one you have to be hold this button for few seconds, then you have to be change the country code like this setting. But in this one, see, I am changing the country code, time change, but in this DB360 you have to be hold this button and normal as you are setting, but here reverse and forward button company keep to make see this one, and if you want to set hour just press it this one, reverse forward here like this is English, this type of. But in this one there is some feature more, that you can keep 30 phone directory. See this one, you can keep a phone number with the name, whatever you want, you can keep a code or anything with the name and number also. 13 number you can keep, this is little different. And this one you can see, this is fully open, is not a close like this. See, if we open we get AE1200, we get this type of belt, old style belt, but in this one you get this type of belt open. But in this one you can set by up and down, just open the lock and you can set the whatever size you want. But here you have to be pull it out the pins if you want to be set a size. See from here and here you can see this one. If we talk about the light, this one green illuminator light and this one orange illuminator light, but in this orange illuminator light you will get two LED light, you can see, but in this one DB you will get only one LED light on this corner. This is two. In these watches you can see these differences. If you have any type of inquiry, you can comment me. I will keep my WhatsApp number on the description. You can message me and take a help from me. I will ready anytime for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I hope you like my video, and please press a bell notification icon as you can see my latest video. Thank you and have a nice day.